Chocolate lovers, brace yourselves! There are some decadent chocolate creations that will inspire you to bake this season. Hi, I'm Krystin Goodwin with Buzz60, and here are incredible chocolate desserts for fall. With the holiday season just around the corner, take a look at these Cupcake Pops. Made with cake filling dipped in chocolate, you can dress them up for any occasion. Sitting by the fire may inspire you to make s'mores. But why not go all out and make hot homemade s'more cupcakes? For a holiday party, try a chocolate fondue. Just choose your favorite fruit slices and let guests take in as much chocolate as they'd like. If you're looking for something fun to do with the kids, take a look at these Mousse cookies. Made with chocolate chip eyes, peanut ears, and a licorice tail, these are adorable. Or try a pecan caramel chocolate cake. This decorated sweet is sure to be a chocolatey delight. But my favorite is chocolate mousse. Rich in flavor with a light taste, you just have to be careful you don't eat too much. So grab an old favorite or try something new. With a little chocolate and creativity, the possibilities are endless. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.